In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money with Bitcoin on Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Bitcoin option should be available under your profile when you visit the My Cash page. When you select Bitcoin, you should be eligible for a lot of different ways to purchase and sell Bitcoin. As you can see over here, you can select to make a one-time purchase, or you can do a purchase order when Bitcoin reaches a certain amount. The simplest way to invest and make money with Bitcoin is just to choose the auto invest option, as you can see at the top, that sets up automatically daily, weekly, or bi-weekly purchases of Bitcoin at specific rates that allow you a good profit margin. It's a very useful tool if you aren't confident enough to mess with Bitcoin too much, but if you know what you're doing, you can simply look at the graphs, the investing graphs, and buy Bitcoin when it reaches a certain amount or hold until you are comfortable enough selling it. You can sell it directly through Cash App itself, any Bitcoin you have on your balance, and the money will go straight to your account after you make the buy or sell order. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money with Bitcoin on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.